once again. See my confidence is shaking and my heart is feeling vacant. So you tried to fill it in. You said I could fix the broken in your heart. You were telling, darling. But I don't know why you're shooting in the dark. I got faith in nothing. But love, pray for me. I never had somebody, so I don't know how to love. Pray for me. I know I need somebody, so I can learn how to love.
Glasses on. I can't flip and see.
Come here, Dixie.
Grandpa.
Sit. How do you have Grandpa's glasses?
Because he doesn't carry them. And then he needs them. So I just carry a pack with me.
Focus. Good. Ouch. I just had a cramp right here.
Would you wear these?
Let me see. Focus. Good. Yo. Good girl.
And I'm used to wearing those glasses at work, and these are weird.
What type of glasses do you wear at work?
Well, they're
Leave it.
prescription, but these have bifocals, so I can see clear out here. But when I look down, then it brings stuff up closer. But the ones at work are they're not like this. They don't have the bifocal part of it.
Wonder if I'll need glasses, because Dad, he has bad eyes. Good. Focus. Ouch. Come here. Can you sit? Oh, good job. Come here. Get over here. Sit. Dixie. Sit. Take it nice. Good girl.
What do you think?
Those would be really nice.
That's what I thought. These aren't really expensive either. Okay, so what colors do you want? There's a black. Let's see what they got down
I
here.
was gonna say gray would be nice, but I don't know if those would last.
Why wouldn't they?
Because I'm getting dirty, and like dirt stains don't really come out of gray as easily.
So you want to get a couple pairs of black then?
Yeah, because those mask dirt and stuff. Bang. Bang. She's like, I can't do that in the store. Dixie, focus. Take it nice. Good girl. Heel. Good. Focus. Good. Heel. Come here. Be a nice human. It says be a nice human. That'd be easy. Good girl. Focus. Good.
They have a lot in
Turn. Yeah. I was gonna say, I mean, jean material is decent now, but I don't know, because they get really tight on my waist and they hurt.
I know, you don't like that. You never have. And even when you were a little girl, you didn't like it.
Focus. Good job. I'm gonna be running out of treats here soon.
Well, don't give it to her every couple of feet.
I just want to make it positive because she's been a little bit nervous. I don't know why. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's just a tag. I thought it was a random patch on the floor because it looked like a cool patch. I was going to say, whoa, that's cool. Good girl. Good. Heel. Sit. Down. Good. Sit. Sit. Good. Talk about balloons. My goodness. That one's really cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
From yesterday?
Good girl.
Why are we eating so much stuff? No, seriously, why are we eating so much stuff?
Good girl.
You haven't worn your other tie-dye.
Good girl. Heel. Good. Leave it. Don't go sniffing bras. What the heck? She's like, I want to shop. Oh, Grandma, have you ever heard of the trend where it's like your dog picks stuff in a store? Like, obviously, people go to a pet store so your dog can pick stuff. But you, like, go there and your dog sniffs stuff and picks it up, and then you buy whatever they want. I feel like Dixie would just be expensive. She'd pick everything. Because she's always sniffing. Like, right there, Dixie, stop. She's like, well, I want a bra. I'm sorry, Dixie, but you're not busty in the front. No, you're not. No, you're not. She's trying. Get up. Sit.
Okay.
Good.
What else do you want to?
Good girl. Leave it. You would think being adult they wouldn't scream baby dog. They're literally probably older than, I don't know, grandpa, and they're still saying baby dog. Come here. It's not, what are you so scared of? Stop. I know. Come on. Leave it. Hey.
I like the Pioneer Woman stuff too.
Yeah, they always have really, really good stuff. Leave it. Dixie, stop pulling.
I gotta see if they have any rubber gloves. I bet you all their scan lanes are all cards.
The one down there, the
Yeah.
scan and go, that one's cash. Dad put his cash in there. It's all the way down there though.
Okay, well that's fine. We got it. That's for like a card too. So.
Yeah. It's okay. Focus. Good job. Oh, I forgot paydays existed.
Huh?
Those little paydays, I totally forgot they existed because I always got like the little off-brand ones.
This was
Focus. Good girl. Good girl.
Really well. I've been at 3 different ratings. My finish is about 50%.
Leave it.
This is my granddaughter. This is Aaron. I used to work with him and his mom and dad in Cadillac.
A long time ago. So I got to work with Brandon for a couple of weeks.
Oh, did ya? Wait, go.
No.
Well, you're all dummy.
No, I went to school. That's what I want. So,
Leave it.
You know, or like me, I just trained like surgeon. That's all I did for 42 years.
Sit. Sit. Down. All the way. Dixie.
Oh my God.
Come here. Sit.
He's just a little chunk. Just getting so big.
Oh,
Sit.
really?
Down. Dixie. Hey. Down. Look down.
Haley is going to be
Good.
5 in August 3rd. And then the twins turn
Leave it.
1 on
Ignore.
24th or 25th of August. So their birthdays are already around the corner.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Oh, there's nothing flat.
Leave it. She's so calm.
Mm-hmm.
She was a little bit nervous. I don't know why, but
How many? 4. Is this gonna be?
Oh, you break my heart. Yeah, I got it. Don't worry about it.
Dixie down.
I got it.
Down. Good.
I got it.
Dixie.
No. Hey, girl. No. Okay, 12:50. Yeah, it's better be all of you guys.
Thank you.
Watch your mother.
So I wanted to get my light changed. It's one when you change it.
Oh, what?
Right this way, ladies.
Ma'am, could we get a table? I think it'd be easier with the dog.
You're welcome.
I figured it'd be easier with a table, don't you?
No. She's slobbering again. That's really good. That's really good. Good girl. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Doing a good job. Halfway out. Dixie. Good girl. Sit. She just sneezed all over me. Good. Good job. Leave it. Leave it.
Ketchup or hot, or not hot sauce, but
Girl.
steak sauce. Steak sauce?
Leave it. Leave it. No, she's 4 years old. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Leave
How
it.
old is she?
I'm
4.
not supposed to pet him, right?
No.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Good job, Dixie.
So
Sit.
is that like a miniature German Shepherd, or is it something?
No, she just got genetic mutations from both of her parents. Her parents were big, but she's
Okay.
tiny. And her color changed up because her parents were both black and red, but she's normal.
Okay. Well, she's very pretty.
Thank you. Girl. Dixie, focus.
26 is your change. Thank you, and you have a great day. Thanks. Oh, you're so pretty.
And you know, she never said a word. She just laid down.
She has trained her really well. She had all her own training.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I just seen her moving her foot and she laid right down. See you later.
Bye.
Hi, too. Princess, hi.
Thank you. Focus. Good. Sit. Dixie, up. What are you doing? Come. Sit. Leave it. Come close.
Great, if I should get moving.
Leave it. Focus. Can we just respect that my dog can ignore a whole tear strawberry?
No, blueberries or should
Leave it. Holy crap, that scared me. That's why you don't introduce your dogs if they're not friendly. Come here. Oh, flea comb. Never seen one of these for dogs. What do you think? She's like, no, thank you. Good girl.
Hey. No. Come here.
It's okay, Dixie.
Naughty girl. Come here.
It's okay.
Now I know I don't bring you to that door. I'm sorry. Come here. No.
Dixie.
Come here. Now.